Today I'll be doing a short review of a Dell laptop E7470. It's a business class laptop, and what I've had an issue with recently is the battery swelling and causing damage to the laptop. I'm surprised I don't see more forum posts about this, but I realized that my case wasn't an isolated incident, so since place where I'm at, there's other Dell laptop E7470s, and the battery is having the swelling or other damaged battery issues on multiple laptops. I've seen it and heard about it on over 5 laptops. And so in my case, after replacing the battery, it actually stopped charging, and then a few weeks later it just stopped booting. It had a startup problem, and this is all within 1 month. So I just wanted to make this video to warn any users. Could be just your mileage might vary, but I'm a little wary since I've seen the battery swelling problem happen with other laptops with my own eyes. So this is not a recommended off-lease or refurbished laptop to get. So here's a review from 2016. It's 2019 now. I tried searching and found this post about similar business class models in E7450, and after 1 year, Dell accepted no responsibility. So just be wary if you buy some of these. It could have issues with the battery. It might not. I'm just warning people. And so let me see if I can bring up the video. So after the battery was replaced, in my case, I noticed that the laptop was just shutting off on its own, and so I was a little wary because I'd only used it for 15 minutes off the dock. I removed it from the dock. You can see here it says 0% available, plugged in, not charging. So it would just say that. I tried through the dock or straight through an AC adapter, same issue. And so IT opened it up, replaced it with a different battery, had a weird smell. Replaced it with a good battery and still wouldn't charge. And so eventually they took out the battery, and I used the laptop for a week or so before eventually this happened to me. Unknown on unknown local disk, and it always boot up to system recovery options. And even though I ran startup repair, it would bring up this error message. Boot sector for disk partition is corrupt. Error OX490. I tried pressing F8 or F10 when it was booting up and tried different startup options, but to no avail. So now they had to reimage my computer. So that's my little story about how difficult it was using an E7470. Not recommended. So good luck.